How to activate the Starbucks gift card online. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to activate and use your Starbucks gift card, you can do it easily via the browser. For this, open any of your browser and go to starbucks.com. If you already have an account, you can log in, and under the menu option you have the option to activate your gift card. However, if you do not have an account, you can create a new account by clicking on Join Now button. In this process, you will also get an option to activate your credit card or the gift card. First of all, you have to provide your personal information including first name, last name, your email address which will also be your username, and then a strong password. Then after, you must see a link which says already have a Starbucks gift card. Click on the drop down menu, and to activate and add the card, first of all you need to give in the 16-digit card number. Make sure to add no spaces or dashes. Likewise, after that, scratch to reveal the 8-digit code in your gift card. Click on I agree to terms and conditions and click on create account. And this way you have successfully activated and added your Starbucks gift card as well. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.